Pride of ownership. Craftsman built home in late 2015, 4B/2.5B, structure still under warranty. Located in a cul-de-sac, a fenced-in huge backyard and side garden. Lush 360 landscaping providing year-round color, easy maintenance. A wrap-around sidewalk to a 16x16 concrete backyard patio, awaiting a pergola, bolts in reinforced concrete, attached to a 14x16 composite deck. A 10x16 shed with extra overhead storage. The garage has overhead storage as well, including insulated walls and ceiling. The home has custom order cordless blinds, surround sound in the great room, tankless water heater and dual zone AC units. The Ring Doorbell 2 conveys with the house along with security system and external security cameras. April 2020 home improvements. Flooring has been replaced with high-end Timbercraft Pergo, waterproof and scratch resistance, Stainmaster carpet and pad.